Welcome back to Rare Oakleys. As you guys know, if you've been watching us for any length of time, we are huge fans of X metals, especially Juliets. We got another unofficial unboxing for a custom pair of X metal Juliets. These are carbon with emerald iridium lenses. Before we check these out, you know what to do. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Hit that like button, give us a thumbs up. And of course, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys. As always, be sure to check out our other videos because we have a ton of fantastic and exclusive content. And absolutely be sure to check out my book if you haven't read this yet. This book will entertain you. This book will inspire you. It is packed with tips and tricks on how to save money. And yes, legitimately get free stuff. I get more free stuff than anybody I know. Read my book. And it's a great and fun and entertaining read. Links are going to be below in the description for this. And make sure you guys check out TEXITcoin, especially if you guys are into cryptocurrency. This coin is approximately 18 months old from the day that this video is being shot. It has experienced tremendous growth so far, and it's poised to experience even more tremendous growth. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not even giving financial advice. But I am saying you should definitely check out TEXITcoin. I put money into it. My wife put money into it. Our friends put money into it. I put even more money into it. Definitely check this out. 2 links are going to be below in the description. One is going to be for the official TEXITcoin website, so you can check it out for yourself. Second link is going to be my personal referral link. If you do decide to put money into TEXITcoin, I would appreciate it if you use my link because, yeah, I get some credit for that. Not a lot, but a little bit because guess what? I'm the guy that told you about it, and yes, you're welcome. So definitely check out TEXITcoin. So the X Metal Juliet's proprietary titanium-based alloy forged at 3,600 degrees with a 450,000 watt generator using explosive compounds, nonetheless, very impressive. And today, back when Oakley, before they discontinued the X metals, Oakley had Juliets on OCP, which we have here. And not only do we have the custom box, but check this out. Back in the day, they used to put the O Custom Juliet sticker on the box. So you don't see these very often. And they actually discontinued these O Custom Juliet stickers after a short period of time. But I like that sticker a lot. It brings back good memories, back when Oakley was actually awesome. Of course, we got, what do we got on the back of the box? Just some basic information. We can zoom in on that. Of course, you're welcome to pause the video if you want to read all that. But let's open this up, shall we? And we'll even go from this end here. All right, what do we got here? Well, we got some warranty paperwork, some general stuff in here. We won't go through that too much because we want to see the goods, obviously. So, set this here. You know, they put the sticker upside down, right? I wish they would have put it the other way, but that's okay, whatever. All right. X metal with emerald. And by the way, you guys probably know this already, but emerald iridium is no longer made, largely replaced probably by jade. And I do like both. Of course, I like the jade better. It's more of a vibrant and bright iridium, but the emerald was still nice. Little known fact, emerald iridium used to be gold iridium that was set for longer periods of time in the oven when they baked the iridium on the lenses. So these were actually gold iridium at one time that became emerald, but these have a nice hue to them. Hopefully, we'll be able to capture that with the, oh, by the way, got the old school O Custom eyewear tag on the micro bag here, which I don't know if they still do it like that. I don't think they do it like that anymore, but matches the box, which is cool. Anyway, I hope we can capture the beauty of these lenses with the lights on. Give me a second here. You know what I'm going to do? Hang on. I'm going to set these down for a second, and I'm going to try to, maybe we'll adjust the lighting ever so slightly. Maybe we'll be able to capture the color of the lenses. So hopefully you guys can see these clearly. But yeah, nice emerald iridium lenses, carbon frames, and of course we completed, and these have never been worn. Man, these hinges are even tight, man. I mean, they're really tight. But you can see they were completed with the green temple shocks, nose bombs, and ear socks to kind of complete the look there. And initially, this is interesting too. Before these were available in OCP, this green unobtainium was only available through some of the Ichiro Suzuki Signature Series Juliets that I believe were only released in Japan. So it was pretty tough to get a hold of this green unobtainium set until Oakley started allowing it to be, I guess, chosen with custom configurations for the Juliets for OCP. But they were only on OCP, I think, for maybe a year and a half, 2 years, a pretty short period of time. We'll set these down here and maybe give them a close-up so we can hopefully appreciate these. And again, I'm trying to adjust the lighting here so you guys can see the emerald iridium. It does look really nice. It's not obviously as bright and vibrant as the jade, but it still looks great. Doesn't perfectly match the ear socks and temple shocks and nose bombs, but I would say probably closer than the jade iridium, because the jade, of course, is so bright and so vibrant. At least this gives you a little bit of a, what do you call it? I mean, a little bit of a difference or distinction between the jade iridium. It's kind of a shame that they no longer make emerald iridium, because I do like both. I guess it depends on what I'm wearing, right? In any case, let us know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.